Want to clean your home naturally without relying on harsh chemicals? Essential oils are one of the easiest ways to add a natural, powerful cleaning boost to your DIY cleaning products. Not only do they smell amazing, as a lot of essential oils have natural cleaning products that make them perfect for your natural cleaners. Today I'm sharing some of my favorite essential oils for natural cleaning. I'll talk about how they work and how easy they are to use. Let's get started. Here's why essential oils are so great for cleaning. Well, essential oils don't just mask odors. They actually help freshen, deodorize, and degrease surfaces. They're plant-based and toxin-free, no synthetic chemicals or harsh fumes. They have natural cleansing properties, great for breaking down grease and grime. They make your home smell fresh, no need for artificial fragrances. And they're versatile. Use them in sprays, laundry detergent, scrubs, and more. Many conventional cleaners contain toxic chemicals that can be irritating. Essential oils give you a naturally fresh home without the extra. Let's get into the best essential oils for cleaning and why they work. First up, lemon eucalyptus. It's one of the best oils for cleaning. It has a fresh, crisp scent and works great in all-purpose sprays to refresh surfaces. Tangerine essential oil is a natural degreaser, perfect for cutting through sticky residue in the kitchen, and it leaves behind a bright, clean scent. Tea tree is famous for its natural freshness properties. It's great for bathroom sprays, garbage disposals, or anywhere stinky. Clean and fresh blend. This Simply Earth blend was specially made to enhance your natural cleaning recipes. It helps freshen your home while keeping things simple. Defender blend, your go-to for a deep clean. Packed with powerhouse oils like cloves, cinnamon, and lemon, this blend is inspired by historical uses to keep spaces fresh and purified. Add it to your DIY disinfecting sprays or in your diffuser to keep your space fresh. Grapefruit and Cyprus, this duo does wonders in your laundry and fabric spray recipes. They help neutralize odors while adding a fresh, woodsy aroma. Now that we know which essential oils are great for cleaning, let's talk about how to use them. Here are some easy ways to use essential oils in your cleaning. First off, an all-purpose spray. We have tons of recipes for this on our blog, and I've got some linked in our cheat sheet below. Second, a bathroom scrub. Just take some baking soda, add a little bit of Castile soap, add a few drops of tea tree or lemon eucalyptus essential oil, and you have a natural scrub for your bathroom tiles. Laundry and fabric fresheners. Add a few drops of grapefruit and cypress to your wool dryer balls to help freshen your next load of laundry. Or check out this duo in our DIY soap nut liquid laundry detergent recipe. We've got this recipe in a kit that's super easy to use. I'll link it below. You can also easily create your own degreasing kitchen spray using tangerine essential oil and one of our Simply Earth cleaning tabs. And don't forget, you can make your own DIY air freshener by adding a few drops of clean and fresh essential oil blend to your diffuser. It can be really easy to add essential oils into your cleaning routine. These natural ingredients keep your home fresh without the extra toxin. Want to get started? Check out the cheat sheet that I've linked below. It'll give you recipes, ingredients, and more. Everything you need to know for making your own DIY natural cleaner. Drop your favorites in the comments.